Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today we're going to talk about your drawing tools, which are below the pick tool. It's the fourth one down, and you've got freehand tool that basically lets you just draw what you can with your mouse. Along with that, and getting off that tool for a minute, just the smart drawing tool will kind of let you do the same thing, but it'll kind of smooth out. It'll smooth out some of those nodes and make you a better surface. Then there's the 2-point line tool, and what it does, it lets you draw a straight line. But as you can see here, see how the line's a little jagged? Well, if you hold down the control button, it'll let you draw that line straight, and it'll click at different angles. So you could draw a box that way, then come off there and hold down your shift key or your control key and have a line perpendicular to that other one or at a right angle. Then there's the Bezier tool, which I don't use that much, but it's real helpful in tracing clip art. Let's say you want to trace that T. You get your Bezier tool, click on that node, click on that corner, click on that corner, that inside corner, and just getting these pretty close. And you could actually zoom in a little bit more. And then you come around and you've got that T drawn with lines. Now it's a little bit off, but I didn't really take much time. Then going down one more, you've got the artistic text or artistic media, and your drawings are up here, and your width and your pen pressure. And you could go through here and go, well, I want something like that. And then just draw that line, and what it's going to do is going to fill in that line. Now, let's do this. You could go there, left click your no fill, right click your deal. Then you're going to go and ungroup, because there's going to be a line in the middle. So you need to kind of undo that line if you're going to fill this in and actually work with it. Because if you don't do that, and I'll show you what happens, we're going to go to our Smart Fill tool. We're going to fill that in black. And then I'm going to take the outline away. Well, if you didn't do that, you would have that red line in the center. And if you're doing a combination job where you're cutting and engraving, after this engraves, it'll come back and cut that red line out, because I draw in hairline. So you've got that tool, and that's a neat tool, because you can do, a lot of different, have different points. Then you go to the pen tool, which is kind of like the Bezier tool. The only thing I don't like about it is you can't just stop. If you hit escape, well, I guess, okay, escape does let you stop it. Then there's the Spline Tool, same thing kind of, but the thing about this one, you can't get out of it. If you hit escape, you've erased it. The only way this works is to come back and join it, and then it'll stop drawing. Then you have the Polyline Tool, which is kind of like a freehand tool, but there again, you can't stop it. You've got to continue and make it a complete circuit before it'll stop, because if you just draw that, you can't stop, and you hit escape and it erases it. Then the last, so I don't use that very much. Now I do use the 3-point curve quite a bit, because if you just want to draw a line and then you've got a way to curve that line, and it's pretty neat. I mean, you can make any kind of shape you want. Anyway, that's your drawing tools. I don't use the freehand very much, but I use the 2-point line quite a bit. And Bezier tool when I'm tracing clip art. So those are your 6 or 7 tools in that little flyout. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.